Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna be playing Sons of the Forest. And this is not gonna be a gameplay like as my other videos of Sons of the Forest. So here, hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get right into it. Okay, he's good. Oh, another one over here. Let me help Kelvin out here. Yo, what's up, Kelvin? What up? Oh, me? Sure. Follow me, Kelvin. Now there's a cave right here. I should go explore that. Probably not. That didn't work. Okay, now I should remember the way to get the rebreather here. Hopefully, I don't die to take a medicine. Some medicines. Ooh. Yeah, like for a second. Okay. What is that? This 2, 1. Moving. Okay. There's another camp over there. I think I just go straight to find the place where I want to build my base. Or maybe to find the camp. Is that camp where the smoke was coming from. Where's Kelvin? Kelvin? Oh, there he is. I go through the camp and see what's happening there. If there's any loot there.
Hello there.
Oh, a monkey. Is that a monkey? And the one in the water. Walking on 4 feet. Yeah, pretty much like a monkey. What up, monkey? Oof, I missed. Oh, it lagged. This is the right way. Oh, but at least I found the. I think there's like a mini car, or a mini car over. Yep, this one. At least we found that. Okay, get in, Kelvin. But I'm gonna have some fun. He was just looking at me. Okay. Keep driving, keep going through here. Hey, what up, Kelvin? Okay. We make a left turn here. Oh shoot. I don't think I'm going to the right. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to the right place. But it doesn't look like where I want to build. Should be. Yeah, it's here. Not here, but like way more up there. Oh, the taser.
Yeah, boy.
Come here, Cullen. Let me test this one. No, just kidding. Okay, we got it. Come here, Cullen. I have you build everything for me. I don't want to do anything. Maintain build. Can you build a fire and a shelter, please? Get this one. Get the other one. Going once, going twice. Do this one again. This one. Kevin just picks him up. Okay. Is it me or the logs are like are a bit longer? Not the logs, I mean the trees. Like they give more logs. Can I put them down? Or can I not? Oh, I can. Cause with the help of editing, the house is gonna be done. So after a very long time, I got this chunk done. After a really long time, I got this chunk done. And then the next episode, finish it. Right, Kelvin?
Huh?
He said, yeah.